Welcome back, scholars. Our do not problem was the label on a 118,000th liter bottle of cough syrup recommends a dose of 10 milliliters for children aged 6 to 10 years. How many 10 milliliter doses are in a bottle? First, I'm going to be asking you to pause to give me the answer to how many milliliters are there in 1 liter. Pausing the video. Excellent. Yes, there are 1,000 milliliters in a liter. So that's going to help us how, Mr. Guerra? Well, if I go here, I'm going to rename 118,000 liters to equal 118,000 times 1 liter. Now that I know that 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters, I can change this portion right here to 118,000 times 1,000 milliliters. Now, if I remember my math and remember how we learned this, I have 3 zeros here multiplying this. So that means that I'm going to have to move my decimal over to the right. 3 place values, 1, 2, 3, which gives me 118 milliliters. Now I can divide that by 10 because we're trying to get 10 equal doses, right? So let's see how many doses does that make. Once we divide that by 10, we get 118 milliliters divided by 10 milliliters gives us 11.8. Well, that lets me know that we can only get 11 doses of medicine in each bottle. Not quite the 12, just the 11. Right, way to go, scholars. You did an excellent job. Very proud of you. Let's continue to the next slide. We're going to do our vocabulary. It's similar from last week. No change. Divide. Numerator, the top number. Denominator is the bottom number. And a tape diagram we're going to continue to use. I'm going to pause the video so we can get a scholar to go ahead and read our objective for the day. Excellent, excellent. Scholars will be able to divide a whole number by a unit fraction. So we're going to be dividing by unit fractions. And a unit fraction is usually 1 over 2, making it 1/2, or 1 over 3, making it 1/3, or 1 over 5, making it 1/5. So we're going to be dividing a whole number by a fraction. But first, we're going to start with whole numbers. Jenny buys 2 pounds of pecans. If Jenny puts 2 pounds in each bag, how many bags can she make? First, I'm going to have to write a division statement. And you know me, I'm going to go straight over here. And I've already started my problem a little bit. I have 2 pounds of pecans. I want to put 2 pounds in a bag. So that's telling me I'm going to be taking 2 divided by 2. Gives me how many bags am I going to be putting in there? Guys, if you're in class, please, in my class, go ahead and show me the answer. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 on your answer sheets. The rest of the classes, distance learning, go ahead and put it in your chat. Excellent, excellent. You are correct. It is 1. 2 divided by 2 equals 1 bag. So the next problem that I'm going to give you is, and we'll be going back, it's on draw it, but we're going to take the 2 pounds again of pecans, but this time, how many bags will I have if I put in 1 pound per bag? Going to give you a few seconds here to go ahead and go to this. You have 3 minutes. Pausing the video in 3, 2,